carefully. 0 by 4, 1 by root of 1 by 4, root of 2 by 4, root of 3 by 4, root of 4 by 4. What is the root of 0 by 4? 0. Root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Root of 2 by 4 is 2 1s are 2 2s are, that will be 1 by root 2. Root of root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. Root of 4 by 4, that will be 1. Okay. Now cos theta. Cos theta is the reverse of sin theta. Cos theta is the reverse of sin theta. So just reverse it. 1 root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. 0. 0. Just listen carefully. Now tan theta. What is tan theta is equal to? Sin by cos.
Sin by cos.
Tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Just listen carefully. 0 by 1. So remember, 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity or undefined. Undefined. 0 by 1 is 0. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. What will be left? 1 by root 3. This root 2, this root 2 gets cancelled.
Answer is
1 will be left. From root 3 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 will be left. 1 by 0 is infinity. We have done till here. Now we have to find cosecant, secant, cot. In your textbook, the order is reversed. It will be cot, secant, cosecant. Now, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So just take tan theta and reverse it, and you will get cot. Take tan theta, reverse it, you will get the cot theta. Okay, reverse of tan theta is cot theta. So what is tan theta? 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, and infinity. Just reverse it. So infinity cot theta, that is infinity cot is infinity root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Understood? Reverse of tan is cot. Reverse of sine is cos. Understood till here? Now cosecant. Cosecant is 1 by sine. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay. So if sine is 0, so it will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined.
Infinity.
1 by 2. So 1 of 1 by 2 will be 2. 1 by 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2. 1 by 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to
2 by root 3.
1 by 1 is equal to 1.
1.
It is the inverse or reciprocal of sine. Cosecant is the reciprocal or inverse of sine. So we got cosecant. Now secant theta is the reverse of cosecant. Secant theta is the reverse of cosecant. Secant theta is inverse of the reverse of cosecant. Secant theta is the reverse of cosecant. Okay. So cosecant is theta 2 root 2 by 2 by root 3 and 1. Secant will be this 1 root 3 by 2 root 2 to infinity or undefined. So 1 2 by root 3 root 2 to infinity. Understood? First of all, we found sine by root of 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. We got 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. The reverse of cosine was cos. Sine by cos is tan. Reverse of tan is cot. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Reverse of cosecant is secant. Practice this table. Remember, 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity or undefined.